Hi there, Kitchen family, and welcome to our channel. My name is Jur, and today I show you a simple and quick recipe of myself. I call it mac and meat with cheese. It is a very simple recipe, so you can make it yourself as well. Alright, those are the ingredients I will use. This is meat, yes, just without herbs. Cheese. Here the macaroni, 400 grams. I have here mushrooms, garlic, red onion and white onion. Some oil and chopped herbs. Alright, because of the coronavirus I will use these hand shoes, and I am gonna mix it up. Because it's raw. Just like this. It's fine. And now we put some oil in the pan. Just a little bit. And then we put our meat in as well. And then use this spatula to grate it. And to wait till it's brown, so it's not raw anymore. And just wait. In the meantime, bring your water to a boil. And then you wait till the meat is not red anymore, and then you can add the onion as well and the garlic. It's almost ready. Like now you can add the onion and the garlic. So we put in our garlic, red onion as well, garlic, this, mix it up. And now just wait. And now we throw the lid on the pan, because then it's ready faster. So the onion is that far already. So now we put our mushroom in as well. And the rest of the onion as well. To bake it all yummy. And I also throw some Italian herbs on it as well. Then it's even better. Just like this. A little bit. I like those herbs. Then mix it up. Also some pepper as well. Mix it up. Just wait a few minutes longer. Alright, it's boiling. So now we add the macaroni in the pan. And we wait till it's soft. I think 7 minutes or so. Yeah. So keep stirring so it does not cake. Just like this. It still needs to cook, to boil. So just wait till this doesn't feel hard anymore. Just it needs to be soft. In the meanwhile, I add some cheddar cheese as well, because the more cheesy, the much better. Just like this. Then just mix it up. Wait till it's melted. It will eventually. Well, the macaroni is finished. It's big enough now. If it's done. Do feel soft as well, so it's ready. And the mixture is done as well. Cheese is melted, so that's very good. Now the next step. Now you want to pour the water through the colander. Just like this. And now you put everything by layer in the baking dish. So you begin with the macaroni, just like this. Then the next one is the meat. And some cheese, like this. A lot of cheese, it's yummy. Then again macaroni. All the macaroni you can add in. I will save some for top. Again meat. Some cheese. And the last bit of macaroni you add in. And the last bit of cheese. Just like this. Spread it everywhere. Voila! Now you need to put it in the oven for 10 minutes and then you can eat. So now we put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Go. Alright, it's out the oven and it looks delicious. Looks very delicious. Well, this is the end result and I hope you enjoy. Easy. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I have here the end result, so I will taste it now. That is delicious. Cheesy, as you can see right here, and delicious. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and have a nice day.